In today's video, I'll show you how to use forms in Asana. Forms let you turn a simple submission page into tasks automatically, which is perfect for intake requests, feedback, or anything where people outside your usual workflow need to submit work to you. Let's start inside a project. I'll click Customize in the top right, then select Forms from the panel. If this is your first time setting one up, you'll see a Get Started screen. Clicking Add opens the full form builder. Right away, you'll notice Asana includes a name and email address field by default, since every form submission needs to be tied to a person. On the right side, there's a Questions panel where you can add new elements, like additional fields, an attachment upload, a heading, or a completely custom question. I'll click New Question to add one. This creates a fresh single select question. I'll go ahead and type in the actual question text. From here, you can also connect this question to an existing project field, add answer options, or mark it as required. Once your form looks the way you want, you have a few options up top. You can view exactly what submitters will see, share the form directly, or copy a shareable link. When you're fully ready to go live, clicking Publish makes the form active and collecting submissions. To recap, go to Customize, then Forms, click Add to open the builder, customize your questions, and publish when you're ready to start collecting submissions as tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.